Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been wondering how to start making money online without investing a lot, or anything at all, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through 30 easy and practical ways you can earn money online, even if you're starting from scratch. Some require a bit of time, others just your creativity or skills. But the best part? Most of them cost nothing to try. Grab a notebook because by the end of this video, you'll definitely find a few methods worth testing today. Let's get started. First on the list is data entry. It's one of the most beginner-friendly online jobs. All you need is attention to detail and basic typing skills. Websites like ClickWorker and MicroWorkers allow you to complete simple tasks like entering information into spreadsheets, labeling images, or transcribing receipts. It may not pay a fortune, but it's a great first step. Next, if you enjoy writing, freelance writing is a fantastic option. Platforms like TextBroker or iWriter connect you with businesses that need articles, product descriptions, or blog posts. You don't have to be a pro, just use tools like Grammarly to clean up your drafts. Over time, you can raise your rates as you build a portfolio. Now let's talk about transcription. This is perfect for fast typists. You'll listen to audio files and type them out. Rev, TranscribeMe, and GoTranscript offer jobs that pay per audio minute. Accuracy and good grammar are key, but you can learn as you go. Another great role is becoming a virtual assistant. You'll help business owners or entrepreneurs with admin tasks, things like answering emails, setting up appointments, or handling social media. Sites like Belay, Fancy Hands, and even Fiverr list entry-level gigs. If you're organized and reliable, this one's for you. Let's move into creativity. If you haven't used Canva, it's a free tool that lets you design stunning graphics. You can use it to create custom logos and sell them on Fiverr, Etsy, or to local businesses. Start with templates, customize them for different niches, and offer multiple styles. It's a low-effort, high-demand hustle. Next is using TikTok for product reviews. You don't need to be famous. Many brands are happy to send free items to micro-influencers. Record short reviews, then add affiliate links in your bio using tools like Beacons or Linktree. When people buy through your link, you earn a commission. If you prefer Instagram, try building a theme page. Choose a niche like motivational quotes, cute pets, or travel. Post consistently using tools like Canva. Once you gain followers, you can monetize through shoutouts, affiliate links, or even selling the page. Another fun one, testing mobile apps and websites. Sites like User Testing, TestBirds, and Try My UI pay you to test usability and report bugs. You'll speak your thoughts while using an app, and it usually pays $10 to $20 per test. Love photography? Even with a smartphone, you can sell stock photos. Take clean, high-quality images of everyday items or scenes and upload them to Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, or Pexels. You get paid every time someone downloads your content. Have a decent voice? Then try voiceover work. Start by offering simple explainer videos, podcast intros, or cartoon voices on Fiverr. Use free tools like Audacity to edit, and you can even use your phone's mic to get started. Let's switch gears. If you're fluent in English, consider teaching it online. Platforms like Cambly pay you to have conversations with students learning English. No teaching degree needed, just patience and good conversation skills. Prefer tutoring a subject? Try SuperProf or Wisent. Whether it's math, science, or art, you can teach online and get paid hourly. Set your own rates and teach from the comfort of your home. Another useful skill, resume writing. Many job seekers need help standing out. Use Canva to design modern layouts and tools like ChatGPT to improve the wording. Offer your services on LinkedIn or Fiverr. If grammar is your thing, try proofreading. Clean up articles, ebooks, or even social media captions. Sites like Scribendi or proofreadingservices.com often look for part-time proofreaders. Social media savvy? Offer to manage content for small businesses as a social media manager. Plan posts, reply to comments, and track engagement using free tools like Buffer and Canva. Looking for something super simple? Try online surveys. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay a few cents to a few dollars per survey. It's not life-changing, but it adds up over time. Like we mentioned earlier, Try My UI and Userlytics pay you to test websites. Record your screen and explain what's confusing, broken, or impressive. great for people who enjoy sharing their opinions. You can also participate in paid research studies. Sites like respondent.io and Prolific pay between $20 and $100 for your feedback on specific topics. Some are just 15-minute interviews. With AI trending, you can create and sell ChatGPT prompt packs for journaling, productivity, or marketing. Bundle them into a PDF and sell on Gumroad or Etsy. Moderating Facebook groups is another overlooked income stream. Group owners often need help keeping the community engaged and spam-free. Offer your services in business groups. If you enjoy design, create and sell Canva templates, resumes, Instagram posts, media kits. These sell well on Creative Market and Etsy. You only make them once, but can sell them over and over. Similarly, you can design printable planners, budget sheets, calendars, and meal plans, and sell as digital downloads. Once uploaded to Etsy, they sell passively. Notion is popular with students and professionals. Create Notion dashboards for productivity, finance, or goal setting, and sell them with free marketing through Twitter and Reddit. Use DALL-E, Leonardo, or Midjourney to generate beautiful digital art, then sell as wall prints or merch on Etsy. You can also use Printify to create physical products without holding inventory. Use ChatGPT to write short ebooks, how-to guides, stories, or planners, and self-publish through Amazon KDP or Gumroad. No writing experience needed, just a good idea and format. Want to start YouTube but not be on camera? Launch a faceless channel. Use stock video from Pexels or Pixabay, voiceovers from ElevenLabs, and edit in Pictory or CapCut. Pinterest is powerful for evergreen content. Create visual pins that link to affiliate products like Amazon Finds, software, or planners. Every click can earn you commission. Redbubble lets you upload art or quotes that they print on t-shirts, stickers, mugs, and more. Use Canva or AI art to make designs and earn every time someone buys. Start affiliate marketing by promoting tools you already use, like Canva, Grammarly, or Amazon items. Share links in YouTube descriptions, TikTok bios, or blog posts. Finally, try blogging with Medium or Substack. Write about what you love, build a following, and earn through partner payments, tips, or paid subscriptions. And there you go. 30 practical ways to start making money online, even if you have no experience or money to start. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy online income tips, AI tools, and side hustle ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.